Hi lovely people, I'm here done 15 foundation. I just gave a lovely speech to all the training, all these young boys and girls. We're gonna go mushroom picking. If you do mushroom picking, make sure you go with an expert. But please don't do anything by yourself if you don't know anything about mushrooms, because it can be extremely dangerous. I cannot wait, so come along, go. Santos, can you bring something sweet? I'm starving. I already found some mushrooms in the coach. I can't believe it. The one we are looking for is the king of the mushrooms, Bolletti Pudilis. If I have to buy, I pay me £10. Off we going. Please don't get lost. Let's get through the forest, a proper place. Bolletti Escabus, fantastic. Really nice for the risotto. Where are we gonna put it? I find in the mushrooms, which is called Albella crispa. Same family of a morel. Look, this is the family of Lactarius. The reason why Lactarius, because the milk cup, you know, you get some little milk on the side. 85%, nearly 90% is water. If I pick mushroom, I put them in my hands, I'll squeeze it, look.
Whoa.
It can confuse this one with particularly Russula ametica, which is deadly poison. So let's leave it. This is called a poison pie.
This poison as well?
This is Wally Cup. It's extremely poison. This is poison pies, yes. This is another poison one. This is another poison one.
Yeah.
So I can't like that. So we're all gonna die. I think they already disappears through bushes and trees. We lost Josh. Yeah. Can we call Josh, please? Yeah. All together. Josh!
The assault rifle shot.
Look at the mushrooms. He found an empty shelf.
Yeah, I was in a forest all the way over there. Christmas trees. Just Christmas trees forever.
Poison, poison, poison. That isn't a poison. This is poison, poison, poison. Shark them away. Poison or edible?
That is the question.
That is the question. What do you say?
Poison.
Poison.
All of them, yeah.
Poison.
Poison.
Plum and custard mushrooms. It is incredible poison.
Oh.
Fantastic mushroom poison. So many poison mushrooms. Can you imagine if I make a result with those? Here's another one. Poison. Poison.
Aww.
This is beautiful mushroom. They call poison. 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 Can you say for me poison? I do this.
With this one?
Yeah.
Poison. Poison. Poison.
Yeah.
Ah, you know what?
Oh my goodness me.
Poison.
This is?
Poison.
This one is called poison. They look at me and say, there isn't anything edible? Yes, there are. Who found a porcino? Is the king?
Yes, my brother.
Yes, my brother. I love it. Can you say again?
Yes, my brother.
This is the same family of this. Bless you to find that. Orange birch bolletti. Very hard to find an edible mushroom, especially the porcini, because there's so many. We have so many. So there's so many eyes looking everywhere that they actually goes everywhere. And we do find it. We find a few, but we do find it. If I have to come by myself, probably I will find one or two. I go knife on the sides just in case I find a lion. I don't know why I have to get dressed like that. This is what it's all about. Look at that. When I find a little boat, I can swim. This is good.
Yeah?
This is called wolf fart.
Wolf fart.
This is good to eat.
Any of these, not poison.
Any of this, no poison. Actually, in your hands, you have not one single poison one.
Is it?
If this is the biggest mushrooms you find, you got my Gennaro book. Have a look, when you find some, there is more. Bless, this is so good. Bolletti bovinus, which has got plenty of those, an edible one, edible one, edible one. This is called a puffball. Let me show you why.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, where'd you find it?
Just there.
And a fantastic another one. Oh, edible one now. That porcino. Did you watch that porcino? It was so big. That is a priceless. If you have that porcino in a restaurant, should at least sell them for £100 with a little bit of pasta, garlic, chili. Are you enjoying it?
I'm having the time of my life.
Oh, bless. This is very rare, extremely rare bolletti. It's called the black bolletti. We're on the way back because I think we had enough. So we're going to go down, we're going to prepare everything, and we're going to start to make a risotto. We're just coming back from a mushroom hunting. We found a perfect place to cook a risotto. I explained to all the boys and girls, everybody else, you know, which was the poison one, which was the good one. I had so much fun, it was incredible. I cleaned it, I give it to the trainee, and now what actually they do, look at the way they clean it. They chopped all up, and we have a massive pot here on the side. I've got a massive risotto pot as well. We're gonna start to make a fantastic risotto. You will enjoy it. First of all, I need some olive oil inside, yeah? Go, 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 gadget, gadget. Oh my God, it's burning everything. Where is it? Let's move it, let's move it. We have about 5 onions and 1 whole celery. Yeah, keep stirring it. Ah, it's fantastic. This is a proper way to do it. Just put them on top. Ah. And keep stirring it. Never mind about the olive oil. I'm just gonna put some butter inside. The original risotto is made with butter. And make sure you sweat. You know the word sweat is? Yeah. What is it?
Soft and no colour.
That's good. At this stage, all the mushrooms goes inside. They're cut and clean. Porcini, chanterelle, hedgehog mushroom, orange birch bolletti. Look at the color. Anybody want to stir it?
Yep.
Okay, go on. What we call them, that lovely young lady with the wall. Oh, bless this red one. It's quite a large risotto. We got so many people. Soldiers gonna come as well to eat. We got fantastic stock going on. I make risotto for at least 55 people. So we're gonna toast the rice. It's got a lovely coated, strong coated. The rice is a carrier of flavor. Look at the color inside here. Where's the rice?
I've got it here, chef.
How many packets of rice?
It's 3 kilos.
3 kilo. Would it be nice if I had another half kilo? 3 kilo of rice goes in. 3 kilo now. Shall we put a little bit more?
Yeah, a little bit.
And full of time. Just a little rice. Thank you. I love it because already called me chef.
Half a kilo.
Half a kilo. Straight in. Let's toast it. Yeah. Now we need to put a glass of wine inside. Put this bottle inside. Wine is so good. Now we need to evaporate all the alcohol and get a lovely flavor of the wines. Grab the rice. After the wine is warm, you grab them straight away. Now I need to put the stock inside. Go on. Don't burn yourself. Quick, I need it quickly. Oh my God. Okay, now leave it. Just let's stir it. We need to cook this risotto 60 minutes. Believe me, I say yes. Come back later when it's almost ready. The risotto is nearly ready. You can see it's cooked. It is al dente. Half a packet of the butter should be okay. Keep stir it. Now we need some nice Parmesan cheese. Go, that's good, because this is we need for the rest. Let it melt. Nice, a little bit of a parsley rye at the end. Okay, look at that, creamy. Now we stop and we let it rest for about a minute. Yes, wild mushroom forest. Then I said right the word, wild mushroom risotto. Okay, who's going to be the first?
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. Okay.
Lovely.
It's 1.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Come on, let's do it. 2. It's all yours to do it. Don't forget to put the cheese on top. Somebody's going to sit there. Have a spoon here.
Who wants
Yeah.
a big one? No. Do you want a big one, Hattie?
It's not.
Oh.
Can I have 2 more risottos? You are a chef.
Okay, cool.
Can I have another one?
Yeah, there you go, mate.
You got it. Well, we just finished feeding 1,000. 1,000, come on, that was less than that. Let's pretend it's that. And we made a fantastic wild mushrooms risotto. I show my the training step by step. I need you to subscribe. Subscribe to Gennaro Contaldo YouTube. and let's cooking all together, let's enjoying all together. Do you know what? Maybe one day you can come with us mushroom picking. Why not? But be careful. If you go around picking mushrooms, make sure what you do, because it can be very extremely dangerous. From this beautiful forest with still my risotto, look at that, gonna still finish to eat it. Arrivederci, I'm coming back. Subscribe, it is free, and let's enjoy all together. Again, subscribe, please. Bye, arrivederci.